Class, I wanted to create a short video just to communicate as clearly as I can a problem that I see developing with problem statements. There were about 3 students where I simply copied and pasted a comment to try to clarify this again. I think if you've been in the Zoom meetings, you probably would have picked up on this. But just so I can be crystal clear, the problem statement is not the topic of your research. It is not the topic of your discussion. It's not the issue that interests you. It's not the situation out there that is problematic. It's not the situation that's causing stress or needs to be addressed. That's not the problem statement in a dissertation. The problem statement in a dissertation has to do with something we don't know that you are going to find out for us. We don't know this. And we did this last night as an exercise in the Zoom meeting, but it's very helpful to try to write a complete sentence, one sentence that says exactly what it is that you don't know. So finish this sentence. What we don't know or understand is what? What we don't understand is this, okay? The problem statement is not that people aren't being promoted. It's not that there's high turnover. It's not that there's low morale. It's not that people are stressed. That's not the problem statement. The problem statement is that we don't know why or how or what is impacting this situation, or how we can fix it, or how we can improve it, or what the relationship is between this and that situation. That's the problem statement. It must be something that we don't know that we need to know. And so as you make your posts, which could be 1 or 2 paragraphs, you talk about how, they've researched this, and they've studied this, and we, I'll just pick on one. Well, a couple of you are working on promotion for African American women. And so, studies have been done and policies have been passed, and yet there's still this situation. That's not the problem yet. The problem is we don't know why this continues, or we don't know how it might be overcome. Given that we've done all these other things, what is still missing? And so that has to come out of your literature review, usually from comments at the end of articles that talk about further research, or where clearly just nobody has looked at this before. We got to get that problem statement down right. And I know it comes a little bit late since you've already submitted your drafts, but they're drafts, okay? So it's a common problem, and hopefully we will address it before your final draft. But focus in on that. It's what we don't know. And your study, that comes in the purpose statement. The purpose of your study is to find this out by doing this and this and this and that. Okay? I hope that helps.